Good day, McVeigh, and happy Tuesday. Good morning, boys and girls. This morning, we have a special guest on our show. We have Ethan, the master of the cube. So, Ethan has a new cube to share with us today. Ethan, what is that one called?
It's called the Mirror Cube.
All right, so we think, we're not sure, but we think it's called the mirror cube because the opposite sides are a mirror of each other. That's what we think, but we're not sure. But there's something unique about this one compared to the original cube.
So this is the original cube. This is the one with all the colors. This one doesn't is all one color, and they're all different sizes.
So you have different shapes, all of them on, so all of the moving parts on this cube are the same size. On this cube, that's not true, and they are different shapes. So this one is more complicated. So Ethan, how did you get into this one?
I have seen other people do it, and it made me really want to try it out.
Excellent. And so we're going to ask Ethan to mess that cube up and just watch what it looks like when it's messed up.
It's really hard to mess up because all the pieces are different shapes and sizes, and if you do it too fast, you could probably break the cube.
Yeah, you could probably break it. So when you see it messed up, what you notice is that it's a jumbled, giant mess, literally. So now what Ethan's going to do is, let me get my stopwatch. He's going to solve this on the clock. Hold on 1 second. Let me get my stopwatch going. All right, you're still messing it up?
Yeah, just finished.
All right. All right, stopwatch. All right, ready, set, go. So what Ethan has to do now is get all of those shapes back to their original spots so that the mirror cube looks like a real cube again. Right now it's a jumbled mess, like I said. So, and like Ethan said, he can't move it as smoothly as he does this one because they're different shapes. And so that makes it harder to move. To solve one of the cubes, boys and girls, there's a pattern to it. I know our kindergarten children are learning a pattern about patterns. So there's a pattern to how you have to move all of the parts to get them back to where they should be in order to get the colors the way that they should be, and in this case, the shapes. Looks like he's making great progress and is almost halfway done, maybe a little bit more.
I'm a tiny bit more than halfway.
Yeah.
And there's different algorithms for different types of moves.
Oh, almost done.
Done.
Oh, 1 minute 36 seconds. 1 minute. I didn't hit the thing right away, but it says 1 minute 38, but it was actually 2 seconds ago. So 1 minute and 36 seconds. And like he was talking about, there's an algorithm. That means a mathematical pattern that he is using when he is solving this one, the 4x4, the traditional 3x3,
and the 2x2.
and the 2x2. Yeah. Ethan, that's so super exciting. Maybe they'll invent a new one for you to solve. What do you think?
Maybe.
Maybe, and I'm sure you will. All right, boys and girls, mirror cube. You heard it here first. Good job, Ethan.
Thank you.
All right, so now moving on to our mystery word. So I didn't give you one at the end of last week because I didn't have any guesses, but then we figured it out. All right, here we go. All right. We have an adjective. All right, here's my clue. These two vowels, these two letters are vowels. So are these two letters. Now listen carefully. We've been learning about suffixes and prefixes. These two vowels are the same and they're in the same order. They are also in the same order when we say the vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, one of them is the least common vowel and often is combined with another vowel to make a word an adjective. That's a big clue. All right, moving on to the mystery number. We know this is 2 digits. We know that this number is odd, and we also are getting a clue today that both of these digits are homonyms. All right, now it's time for our Mighty Kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind moment of the day is shout out to Hania in our 2nd grade who says, "Be kind." Draws a beautiful picture of what looks to be an island or something in the south, and I know that because there are palm trees and lots of sun and the water, and it looks like it's an island in the middle of the ocean. Good work, Hania. Of course, boys and girls, every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.